Selas Sales Excellence Leveraging Automation System was developed with the primary goal of aligning key sales KPIs across Region IO and also in creating the best-in-class sales force. The system has been rolled out to the top 18 affiliates across 6 continents, which include the top 8 countries in Wave 1 and the next 6 countries in Wave 2, covering all 5 business areas. The application is a major driver for the sales force to record their calls, field visits, and track KPIs on a daily, monthly, and yearly basis. The current user count is 1,600 and growing with each rollout. The average user satisfaction score for the system is 4.2. The progress of the application is based on the strategic initiatives in devising its presence and usability across markets. Several milestones have been reached in Selas with the Wave 1 deployment, iOS rollout, and Wave 2 deployment, in parallel with the maintenance releases like DB upgrade and GDM automation, the recent ones being IO coaching and BI app rollout. Very recently, the IO1 device project will enable the sales force in selected IO countries to use their iPads as a single device for all their activities. Selas has rolled out 3 versions of the newsletter. The key foundation of the Selas application is in its usage, primarily used by our key Salesforce stakeholders, sales representatives, field sales managers, high-level managers, business analysts, and local administrators. The greater areas of its implementation and use are in Web Client and Mobile Client, which is the iPad and Analytics. The online web client is primarily used by the local administrators for target administration, coaching evaluation, employee administration, customer and segmentation setup, and product and sample allocation. Categorized under the mobile client, the iPad is used by the sales representatives to input daily calls and coaching information. The listed activities include call planning, execution, field coaching received, and KPI reporting. Analytics application is primarily being used to align with global KPIs and to track performance of field force at an affiliate, region, and IO level based on available reports such as the data quality, standard, and ad hoc reports. With the key motives as in improving sales effectiveness, automated KPI reports, easy to use, capture TS info, all in one device. Automated sales processes, aligned to global KPIs, easy to track DQ accurately, use state-of-the-art technology. The strength of the application depends on the usage. The key areas of use have been in call detailing, wherein the sales representatives input calls pertaining to the customer visits, dual visits that correspond to coaching performed in view of evaluating and improving the sales representative's abilities. Sample promotions tracking to follow up on samples or promotional items provided to the customers. Monthly global KPI reporting in order to track the performance of field force at an affiliate, region, and IO level based on the available reports. CE assessment to ensure appropriate tracking of Selas usage and performance. And finally, the data quality KPI reporting to monitor KPIs on a regular basis and report to Systems Advisory Board review. As per our roadmap outlined during 2009, the Wave 2 affiliates were finalized and the application was rolled out to the top 20 strategic markets by 2013, during which we have made technical and functional leaps to greater feasibilities for the user. With effective use of the application and its functionalities, it's a great value addition to the user. Otherwise, the full potential of the application and its purpose cannot be gained. In addition to the existing functionalities, there are new ones that are being developed, like IO coaching application, business intelligence on mobile, sample order management, tracking of key account management, key opinion leaders, sales data integration, all in one device. The new functionalities built in are to support the commercial effectiveness functions that have been envisaged with inputs from experts and specialists using the applications. All the new functionalities are targeted to a greater focus as per the increasing demands of the high-performing sales force. This would enable the user to have a 360-degree view for the data and information that is within the system, with clear access and visibility. This 360-degree view would be strengthened progressively on adding more features in the coming days, perpetually expanding to a greater market presence. One team, One tool.